In this video I'm welding in a handmade patch panel in what I think was a speaker cutout on this coupe door frame. Alright guys, well I'm going to attempt to fabricate a patch panel for the inside of this door frame. First I got to rough in the shape, mark where the beads are going to go, then I'll be taking it to the English wheel to pre-stretch the bead areas, because the beads are quite large and they're going to displace quite a lot of material. Then using my dodgy mild steel dies that I turned on the lathe, I'll be using my modified and powered bead roller to throw some fat beads. Hopefully my dies match the profile close enough. Now that's not going to sit right in there because it's all been hacked out and it's all different heights there. So I'm going to place my piece over the top, line it up as best as I can, run a texture line around the perimeter of the patch, and I'm not going to cut up to the texture line. I'm going to cut a little bit further in, just so I can get rid of most of the metal, and then I can scribe a nice tight line around the perimeter of this patch and cut up to that line, and hopefully it will drop straight in there.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy. It sound right, boys.
Not the tightest of gaps, but you get an idea. Just really want to make sure that this this bead is nice and straight. This panel is still quite you know, warped and mangled from all the stretching from pushing that bead in. So I think I'm pretty happy with it. What I'm going to do now is clean up all around here, make it some nice fresh metal, and then start tacking it in, making sure that the two panels are butted up nicely and one's not lower or higher than the other. And then I can sort of maneuver and manipulate the panel as I go.
It sound right, boy.
So I'm trying to keep both panels level with each other and doing a tack where I've got it nice. This part here, as you can see, I need to lift it up from the bottom. Once it's nice and level, dab a tack on there. And these sections over here, I might have to get the hammer in there and try and manipulate it to match up with these. It always pays to shine a light underneath and look for any pinholes in your welds, then zap them up. I'm no stranger to rust repairs and making patch panels, but one thing's for sure, every rust repair, every handmade patch, every weld, you get better than the last, and learn and understand the way metal works. I guess that's why I'm revisiting some of my old repairs on this car. I first started throwing grinders and attaching molten metal to this car over 14 years ago. I didn't quite have the understanding or tools as I do now. I'm no expert or pro by any means, but I have the desire and excitement to try new processes to produce a better product. Could this repair be better? Absolutely. The beads could be deeper and match better. The patch panel could be flatter, but look at the alternative. I didn't even repair this the first time around because I was just going to cover up with the door card. A repair of this caliber is better than nothing, right? Thanks very much for checking out this video. We'll see you at the next one. Cheers. See ya.